Good day, Hot Wheels collectors. We got something in yesterday that I have no idea what it is. I just don't know what that is. We got one of them in from Mattel, and I'm not sure what it is. I'm sure that we had it on order, but I just don't know what this particular case is. But before we open this case, I want to go over just real quick what we got cooking here. The second round of giveaways. We're going to be drawing for these on September 14th, which is a Saturday, and we'll do it probably Saturday night. So be sure you're commenting and subscribing so that you give yourself a shot to win currently 2 sets of Retro Forza, 2 winners for the Gran Turismo 1, 2 sets of Car Culture L case, 3 sets of Gran Turismo 2. Don't forget about the Super Treasure Hunt Porsche that happened in Q case. And then, I don't know what this is going to be, but I'll give something away out of it. Again, no idea. But September 14th, we're going to be starting the video. So be sure you're tuned in and subscribed and liked so that you have a good shot at winning. Because some of these videos, you got a 1 in 50 or so shot at winning. Okay, so we're going to pop this thing open right here. See what the heck it is here. I mean, it's a little bashed up. It came UPS. Let's get a top-down view of this thing. Oh my goodness. I have never seen a case of these. This is super rare, guys. Cool. This is the ZAMAC 50th set. Okay, well, now you know. If you see that code, that's what that is. I had no idea. We're going to do our standard 3x3, but it's going to be a little bit faster because they're all the same. So, the first 3 are the Dodge Demon. This thing has super cool card backs. I'll zoom in on one of these cars right here. Let's see here. Dodge Demon ZAMAC, 1971 Demon. That's pretty sweet. Give you a couple different angles of looking at it. Okay, those are the first 6. Okay, so what it looks like is that there's 9 of each, which would mean that it's a, well, that doesn't make sense, does it? We'll see. Okay, the next 3 are the Olds 442 ZAMAC. Give you a good shot at it. There. Card backs on these are pretty clean and nice looking. But here's the Olds 442. Sweet. The next 3 are the Ford Mustang Coupe. I'll get a couple of those out. Okay, I've got 3 more Ford Mustangs. The last 9 cars on the top are the Plymouth Duster Thruster. Got the engine popping out there. You just never know what you're going to see in Hot Wheels when we open these cases. I love it. Oh yeah, here we go. The next 9 cars is the 68 Copo Camaro. Got like a cool green tinted windshield. Add a little flare to it. Blue wheels. Okay. The next 9. Another Camaro here. This is not what I was thinking this case was, guys. I love it. This is the Chevy Camaro Concept. Got blue wheels on it. Got the 50th ZAMAC. Okay. There's only 2 more cars left in this case, model-wise, but let's see here. The next one is 70 Buick GSX. Got the flames on it, got the red wheels, got the blue windshield. That was pretty sick. Okay, so then the last car in the case, and yes, there was 9 of everything. Was the Plymouth Barracuda Formula S. That might be my favorite one in the case. It's got the yellow flames on it. Yellow windshield. Sweet. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do real quick. I am going to put together 2 sets of this. It's a little unwieldy, like I said, in the photo box. I'm going to give away 2 sets of this, guys. Just takes a second to get this going. There we go. Here is the two sets that I'm going to give away here. 8 cars each. I'm going to give the one on the left away to someone that's subscribing, and I'm going to give the right one away to someone that's commenting. So I hope you enjoyed this case opening. Thanks for joining us. I've never seen this before. You never know. Thanks again, guys. Bye.